So you're going to see the vehicle come into view at a distance, right?
Right off the bat, we've got what looks like a simple traffic stop. But don't blink. These cases can turn on a single blink of a turn signal, or the lack of one. Keep your eyes on that vehicle. This is where a failure to signal becomes more than just bad driving. It becomes probable cause.
There, and he comes across two lanes without signaling.
Bro,
You can, come on, Will, you can show the
Here's where it gets spicy. The officer cites Texas Transportation Code 547.3215 and Federal Regulation 49 CFR 571.108. Basically, the car's third brake light isn't working. And believe it or not, that's enough for a legal stop. It's wild. Your high-mounted brake light could literally be your downfall. Ever checked more?
to judge that
yeah,
because
we
you can't.
we
you
can
can't
step in the
see
back and you can see
I
it
don't think
cut
that's
across.
him.
There's no way. Would you like to see, Judge?
Sure.
So tell me.
A review of the body cam, we did see the failed signal. In addition, we did see the high mounted brake light out, which is a third brake light. And under the Texas Code, section 547.3215, the federal vehicle equipment safety standards are adopted, and federal regulation 49 CFR 571.108 requires a high mounted rear brake light. And because that was out, that is the.
But not all cars have that.
What?
Well,
So are you telling me now every single car has to have that third mounted brake light?
It requires any multi-purpose passenger vehicle, which in this case it was a sedan. So in this case, it is a passenger vehicle. So it has to have, and you can see on the body cam, Your Honor, you can see the high mounted brake light. That's not a truck, no sedan.
And here's the moment of truth, the alleged no signal lane change. Watch closely because this is where defense attorneys earn their paycheck. The argument? Whether that move actually happened or if it's a trick of the camera. The judge's ruling could hinge entirely on these few seconds of blurry dash cam footage.
Well,
and I would point out, sure, it requires the
I
vehicle
don't,
to
no,
have.
no. But did you really see that there's no turn signal?
there's no turn signal and
I would like to see that.
yeah, we can see that it's
Can you show him what you saw, please?
healthy, yeah, because she can pull up the video faster than I can.
We have the video ready.
Oh, okay. Timestamped at 0.08. It's signal. You can roll. So you're going to see the vehicle come into view at a distance right there, and he comes across two lanes without signaling.
Bro, you can.
You can, come on, Will, you can.
We can show the judge that
Yeah,
because
we
you can't.
we
you
can
can't
step in
see
the
that.
back and you can see
I don't
it
think
cut
that's
across.
him.
Notice how the judge steps in here. The question isn't just if the driver signaled, but whether the video proves it clearly enough to justify a stop. Remember, in court, perception equals evidence. If the camera can't capture it, the defense can argue it didn't happen. This is reasonable doubt in 4K, or in this case, maybe 240p.
No way.
There's no way that's him because
But-
he's already in the furthest right lane by the time that,
No, you
in
can see him,
2
you
seconds
can see him
later.
going across to his right, a lane without any signal in addition to that brake light as you continue the video.
Would you like to see, Judge?
Sure.
Let me see.
You will see your vehicle here.
Which car?
It's a, may I, Your Honor, go up there and point it out?
The truck.
No, it's the gray sedan. The gray sedan come up.
Oh, it hasn't come up yet.
You won't see it until after the law enforcement goes over the hill on the highway.
It looks like he's going pretty fast, huh?
No.
No.
No, we're just.
There is two people kind of,
Okay, ready for the next one?
So when you go, I mean, the law is such that you're always supposed to signal, right? And I mean, even if you're going in that turn,
Well,
I mean, were the lights on at that point or no?
yes, the lights were on. The lights were on as soon as he gets up to the back of my client's vehicle before he makes that turn, they just shake lights. And the state is saying that there was an unsignaled lane change fire.
How do you know the lights are on?
Pardon?
How do you know?
Because the sound kicks on, you can hear it.
Yeah, and he's correct that after, but before that, there's an unsignaled lane change as.
Yeah, well, I was hoping to see an unsignaled lane change before they even pulled them.
There is, Your Honor, it just.
Show me that.
He said it was a freeway.
At this point, the courtroom's shifting gears. The judge is basically saying, if this video's too fuzzy for a real analysis, we're not wasting time squinting at it on someone's phone. Translation: time to move to a formal motion to suppress hearing, where the defense tries to get all this tossed out before trial.
Wait, Your Honor. And-
Show me. I didn't see it.
Yeah, well, if I could, I can point out his vehicle.
Yeah. Show me, because that's what I was looking for and I didn't see it.
Your Honor, if I may step around, so I can.
Go, please, come on. Don't be shy.
So it's small, it's at a distance, but you'll see the vehicle come into view momentarily. It's right there. That's the defendant's
That's
vehicle.
him?
That's the defendant's vehicle. Let me go back a little
There's
bit.
no way to tell it's vehicles.
Because you can continue, no, and you can continue seeing it.
Can you not make it, you should be able to like,
I'm sorry, if we're gonna do crosstalk like this, we can just set this as an MAJ hearing or a formal motion to suppress, and that can be up on the big screen. We can have more structure to an argument, and we don't have to have 3 people arguing about it, because that's a personal handheld device.
Yes, Judge. And that's
I guess you want to set it for a formal probable cause hearing?
He's on an MAJ out of this court, we just have the MAJ. It's a preponderance standard, they can challenge any motion to suppress they want to, or they can urge any motion to suppress they want.
This is for the new case though, right? This is not for the
It's for the
MAJ.
new case.
It's for the new case.
Yeah, and the UCW.
The UCW, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, but he's got a pending MAJ in this court for an evading arrest.
right, but because of this,
Right, so this would have to be proved about that hearing anyway.
right, but I mean, I'm not going to revoke if there's no PC to go here.
Right, I'm just saying if we're going
So-
to be here, having 3 attorneys talk about a handheld device on the screen what can't be seen, we might as well just set it for a whole hearing and then we can put the whole video up on the screen.
I'm down. You want to do it for beginning of next week?
The court suggested that there's gonna be.
I didn't realize it was going to be this
Yeah, I just.
labor intensive, so to speak, you know?
It's turning into like a big argument. If the video is clear enough to determine probable cause, then that's fine. I'm just saying if this is gonna turn.
I'm having to squint. So that's why, but if, let's set it for a formal one. Next week, whatever you want. No?
I mean, whatever the court wants.
It doesn't matter to
I mean,
me.
but on the. I would like to do it now if we can, just that I'm willing, but we're going to. I mean, it's the first 8 seconds of this. The car is so far on, there's no way. The state's gonna point out a minuscule car hundreds of yards away, I can't see what lane it's in.
It's the same.
There, and then the officer continues going in that direction. It's the same vehicle.
Is it that one way over there? It's this one, like, it's,
The one going right at that time.
And just like that, we go from traffic stop to life lecture. The judge isn't just enforcing the law. She's trying to keep this defendant from spiraling into more trouble. Notice the shift from legal jargon to parental tone. It's part courtroom, part intervention, and it shows that justice isn't just about punishment. It's about preventing future trouble.
Because it's going right, and the officer continues in that direction, follow the vehicle.
can we see it right here? Which one is it?
So it's not right here, it's
How does he even see that?
because as he's coming around the corner, you see it right there, that vehicle right there going right.
Oh, that was cool how you did that.
Yeah, I don't know how I just you on it.
That's great. That's it.
So yeah, as
That's
he's coming
it?
around the corner, yeah, so he's coming around, and then that vehicle going all the way across with no light, and then
Look.
Can't even tell what lane he's in.
No. Come here, Will. Look. He hit something that made it like really big.
Hey,
Ah,
Alex, you can fix everything. No.
You can see him, he's like, hey, he's like, he's cutting off to try to, make, you know? Mr. Mercer, do you want to talk about something else?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Rehash the previous subject. I was talking to Mr. Martin, the guy who's from San Diego. February 7th, be too late for him to come down here.
It's okay,
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
for sure. But, tell him between now and then, he's still not to get, he still has bond conditions that he got from the magistrate. So make sure that he knows that those bond conditions apply, even though he hasn't been here. So, okay, yeah,
I think he'll be okay.
I'm okay with that. Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so is that a finding of PC?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to address bond conditions then, back to where we were here in the first.
Come up, Mr. Worthy. Can you see if he has a driver's license, please?
It's helpful, Your Honor.
Okay. You're not allowed to drive unless you have also car insurance. Do you understand?
So I have liability.
Okay, good. Don't pick up a third case. If you pick up another case, holy moly, I'm just gonna lose it. Do you understand? Don't. No, you're not supposed to have weapons. No drugs, no alcohol. Did you say there was an odor of marijuana here?
Yes, Judge, a strong odor of marijuana.
Okay, I will test you 45 days from today. If you test positive again for marijuana, I'm going to lock you up. Do you understand? No more smoking weed. So let's set this off 45 to 50 days. His appearance is required. He will get another test on that day. If he's clean, we'll just continue him and then just goes normal. If he's test positive, get ready. You hold the keys. Do you understand?
Sir.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks.